be talking about this car. When I drive it around, I get a lot of people ask me questions about it, so I just thought I would do a video. I have to be kind of close to the phone, close to the camera, because I don't have on a lapel mic. So all we have here is a 1974 Checker Marathon, and they were an independent car company for many years. They made this same car model from about 1960 up until the 1980s. So I guess we can just kind of take a look around it real quick. It has on 15-inch steel wheels. These would have been the same steel wheels you would find on a Chevy Impala or Chevelle. These really heavy-duty bumpers that came into effect in 1974. In 1974, there were new regulations that all bumpers had to be at 5 mph rating. The back of these are kind of cool. Let's see here. Kind of lower it down like that. Then you have this station wagon, and then this comes down. And it's perfectly flat. Right now it's stuck, but that flap that we'll see in just a moment raises up, and then you put the seat cushion, and it's a 6-passenger wagon. Underneath here is the spare, the jack, and so forth, with plenty of room for very small luggage like duffel bags. And then to, of course, raise this back up, it's just like that. I thought it was kind of interesting, but back in the 60s, 70s, there were no locks back here. I guess it's a little bit of a safer time. Here's kind of another look. Oh, here's the gas cap, and it's down here real low. It's about a 20-gallon gas tank, and the previous owner put on a locking gas cap, which is probably a pretty good idea. Okay, here's a picture of what I was talking about. You can see that portion of it raises up. Unfortunately, it's stuck right now. I'm going to have a mechanic kind of help me out with that. Sorry, I kind of cut myself a little bit. Okay, there's a picture of the front. This is extremely basic, but you'll see a lot of similarities between this and Chevrolet. It's the same steering wheel, but does not have the Chevrolet emblem on it. Same basic seat belts, but they don't have Chevrolet written on them. Just very basic transportation, but it did come with factory air conditioning, which is kind of an unusual feature. This particular car came from the factory with 3 options. One being a roof rack, the second being air conditioning, and the third, it came with a V8 engine. These came standard with a straight 6. I've already showed you the engine, I think. Did I show the engine? Oh, I haven't shown the engine yet. Okay, there we go. These came from the factory with a Chevrolet 350 engine, a Chevrolet General Motors TH400 Transmission, 3-speed automatic heavy-duty transmission, and of course there's the air conditioning deal. A lot of these components are very familiar to you if you're familiar with working on Chevrolet, Buick, Oldsmobile, Pontiac components of this time period. The way I understand it is that Checker Automobile Company made the body and the interior, but they used General Motors rear end, the gears, the engine, and so many components. Alright. Well, I'm not sure what else to say about it, but it's a nice running old car. And I would be interested in selling it, I guess. I really don't want to. But if somebody were to offer me a lot of money for it, I would probably take it. But just a really cool piece of history. Each year, it's my understanding, a checker made about 250 units or less up through 1974. 1974 being the last year, in which they only made about 177 of these. But it's been said that there's probably less than 200 checker station wagons left on the road today that are not in salvage yards. So it's a little bit unusual. It's a little bit rare. But it drives real well, amazingly enough. It drives real well. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a good day. The road, let's go ahead and drive down the road just a little bit. This is the windshield wipers. started designing it back in '57, but it came out in 1960, and they kept the same body style of the sedan all the way through the 1980s, and quote stuff or garbage in any of our videos, so nothing that would upset our Lord Jesus in any of our videos. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe and please